In this video, we will talk about atraumatic restorative treatment. Atraumatic restorative treatment is defined as a minimally invasive care approach in preventing dental caries and stopping its further progression. The ART approach was pioneered in Tanzania by Dr. Joe Frenken in 1985 and was then followed by field trials in Tanzania and Zimbabwe. ART was recognized as a new approach for oral care by WHO in 1994. It is a dental caries treatment procedure involving the removal of soft demineralized tooth tissue using hand instrument alone, followed by restoration of tooth with an adhesive restorative material, routinely glass ionomer. ART is a biological approach that requires minimal tooth preparation and has a low cost. The main principles of ART are removing carious tooth tissue using hand instruments only, restoring the cavity with a restorative material that sticks to the tooth. ART can be used in the areas which have limited supply of water and electricity. Indications of ART. ART can be used in the places with minimal facilities. It can be carried out in small cavities extending up to dentine. In those carious lesions which are accessible to the hand instrument, ART is used in public health programs. Contraindications of ART. ART should not be used under the following circumstances: in the presence of swelling or abscess or fistula near a carious tooth, if the pulp of the tooth has been exposed, if the tooth has been painful for a long time, or the lesion is inaccessible to the hand instrument. Instruments to be used in ART. Always wear gloves before starting the work. Use a mouth mirror and explorer to explore and diagnose the carious lesion. Along with these, spoon excavator, hatchet, tweezer, wedges, GIC, mixing pad and spatula are used for further excavation and restoration. Cotton rolls and pellets are used to isolate the tooth. Role of GIC in ART. Glass ionomer cement, abbreviated as GIC, is a glass polyalkanoate cement. GIC bonds to enamel and dentine chemically. It is biocompatible, non-irritant, and also acts as a reservoir for fluoride. GIC is easy to manipulate as well. GIC comes in powder and liquid form. It is mixed over a mixing pad using a plastic spatula. While mixing GIC, powder is taken on the mixing pad along with drops of liquid and mixed in increments for next 15 seconds. A glossy mix is obtained in the end. ART can be carried out with minimum setup. The correct position of both operator and patient is essential to achieve good quality care. The posture of operator should provide best view inside the patient's mouth. A patient lying on the back on a flat surface will provide safe and secure body support. A firm headrest provides stable position of the patient. Hygiene should be well maintained and sterilized instruments should be used. Restoring the cavity using GIC. Tooth to be treated should be identified and isolated using cotton rolls. This will keep the tooth dry and prevent contamination by saliva. Using a wet cotton pellet, clean the tooth to remove plaque and to increase visibility. Caries removal is started now. Carious dentine is removed using spoon excavator. Soft caries is removed by making circular scooping motions around the long axis of the instrument. Enamel hatchet is used to widen the entrance of small lesion and remove unsupported enamel. After all carious dentine is removed, the cavity is cleaned with wet cotton pallets. Cavity preparation is then completed by drying the cavity. Prepared cavity is now conditioned. In order to improve the chemical bonding of GIC to the tooth structure, cavity walls must be very clean. It is done using a chemical solvent. Dentine conditioner is a 10% solution of polyacrylic acid. Apply 1 drop of conditioner on a pad or a slab. Dip a cotton wool pellet in the drop and clean the entire cavity and adjacent fissures for 10 to 15 seconds. Hold the cotton pellet with a pair of tweezers. The cavity is conditioned, washed and dried. The glass ionomer is mixed and the mixture is inserted in the cavity in increments using blunt end of the carver instrument. This will avoid the inclusion of air bubbles. Push the mixture into place with the round surface of excavator. Also place extra material on adjacent pits and fissures. A small amount of petroleum jelly is taken on gloved index finger and the soft restorative material is firmly pressed by the finger. Move the finger sideways after a few seconds. The time from the start of the mixing until the removal should not be more than 1 minute. Remove excess material by carver blade. Apply small amount of petroleum jelly over the restoration. Now check for the bite. Place a piece of blue or red articulating paper on the restored tooth. Ask the patient to bite and move the teeth from side to side. Check for high points and do the necessary correction. Now the tooth is restored. Thank you.